Hello everyone, to my viewers, to all my subscribers, thank you so much. And today I will be sharing to you how to make friends in YouTube and grow your channel. Well, it's not really that easy, but at the same time it's not so complicated. Number one is visit others' channels. And then you have to view their videos. And of course, if we view others' videos, we have to take time also to look at it. If it's something about cooking or something about gardening or some kind of tutorial, take your time to look at it because you can learn from their videos. And then after you watch it, or maybe everybody maybe have no time to watch a whole 10 minutes or 20 minutes video, then take like a minimum of 5 if it's a long video. That's what I do. And if it's just a 1 minute or 2 minutes video, please watch the whole video and then give your comment. And if you think that it's a nice video, you get something from it, then you just press the like button. And for you to have more videos, to stay connected with that person, then you just press the subscribe button. And in that way, you are already earning and starting a relationship with another YouTuber. Because once you do that, it means that that person who will know that, oh, this person is subscribing to me, then that person will also go to your channel and be eager to learn about you. Because friendship is like that. It's like a community in YouTube. Everybody have their own interests. Of course, there are a lot of viewers who are not subscribers, and what they do, they just look because they want to get information, and for them, they just doesn't have any interest, to give a thumbs up or be a subscriber. They just want, just like my husband, he just watched. But then it's really very important to stay connected, to earn a lot of friends, and that is one way of having or gaining friends in YouTube and growing your own channel. You give and take. It's not only you take and take, you give and take. Because like, for example, if someone will view my videos and this person will like that video, will put a comment on it, especially with very good comments, and then that person subscribe to my channel, then I will have this interest also. Oh, I want to know something about this person. So it means I automatically go to your channel, and when I look at your videos, I usually choose a video that gives me some interest, that there's interesting, and I watch it, and then I give my comment, I give my thumbs up, and I usually subscribe to your channel. Why? Because I want to learn more about you, because I want to see more videos of you. And so it's very important that we also put videos that has a little bit of something that will interest your friends. And knowing your friend is more like watching more of their videos, even if you're not watching everything. Now we go to number 2. It's like to participate in live streams or when people are doing their broadcast. When you start YouTube, it's not really easy. It's not that very thing that you put your videos, you make your videos, and suddenly tomorrow it's like 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 views in your YouTube. No, we need each other in YouTube to grow. And that means that live streams really helped a lot. Why? Because people who are doing live streams, they are doing something for you. And of course, you at the same time, you do something for them. When you go on live streams, this I didn't know first when I started to participate in live streams. I thought that you can just go in there and then suddenly when you are already there, you visit everybody's sites and or channels and view their videos and like it because you like it, or subscribe to them, something like that. But no, it's not. I didn't know at first, but then they are very helpful. People who are doing live streams, they are really good on it and they are very helpful. And for us to help, it's like you don't maybe visit immediately the people that you want to visit in their channels, but of course maybe you can give a 15 minutes, at least a 15 minutes to be in that live stream, to talk with a person, write comments to that live stream for maybe at least 15 minutes. And it's not allowed either that when you are there you will be just shouting out, people, hey, subscribe to my channel, hey, watch my video and like it. No, it's not at all. You have to at least be there in 15 minutes and then you can try to ask, oh, I want to visit some of your channels, guys, because I'm interested to be a friend, and then you can be like a part of that community. And it's really very good. At the same time, it's a give and take. You give something to the person who is the host of the live stream or the broadcast, and at the same time that person is also giving to you something, because you will find a lot of friends who will be helping each other to grow your channel. So that's how it works, and it's just very natural. If you are in YouTube, you don't have to scream to people that please subscribe to my channel, because myself, if I go to your channel, I watch a video of yours, I give a comment, I give you a thumbs up because I like your video. It doesn't matter what it is. If there is something I can get from your video, even if it's cooking time, even if it's, you know, something you go around in the city and I can see the views, I can see that city where I've never been, then I give a time to look at it. I cannot maybe give you a 10-15 minutes view, but if it's really an interesting video, I can really watch the whole video. It's like that. But if I feel like, it's like I get already the thing I want to know in this video, then I always give you like at least 5-6 minutes view. And if all of us will just have this kind of attitude in YouTube, then it's a way that we are helping each other, because we are treating each other as friends, and friends, you help each other. It's like what you do unto others will be done unto you. So please, people, if I visit your channel, don't think that normally I want to have a lot of friends in YouTube. So normally if I visit your channel, I give a comment on your video, I usually give you a thumbs up, and I usually want to follow your channel. So it means I usually subscribe to your channel because I want to follow and I want to get, you know, every time you put a video, I get to know. But now, because if you have already 1,000, 2,000 friends, sometimes you cannot cope up with, you know, to go to everybody's, but try your best. I try my best, and that's what how we deal with each other in YouTube. We don't have to actually shout out that please subscribe me. If we YouTubers, we behave in the same way. We want to grow our channel, we do the same thing, so we don't have to tell each other that thing. It should be automatic. Number 3 is stay connected. And this number 3 is actually related to the thing I said in number 2, to stay connected. I have some friends, like every time I put some videos, early morning when I go up, I get already comments from them. So what I do in that, when I get comments, you don't have to tell me, visit my channel. And I have one person, she's Filipina and lives in Kansas. Her channel name is Cordapia Rose. And every time I put a video, she is always there to view my video, whatever video it is. She's there. You know, like if you have friends You don't care what kind of video it is. You just watch. I mean, you are just concerned what is she doing now, you know? And she has a latest video where she, you know, she just like have this snow thing, and here now we don't have actually snow now until this month. But then what I do when you visit my channel, you view a video of me, I have this feeling, oh, she viewed my video. So what I do, I go to your channel and I also view your video. I will choose a video that is something interesting for me to see, something you do, what you do there where you live. And for me, there is something interesting on it, and especially if it's a video where somebody is talking, it could be very good. Why? Because sometimes we are so busy, we have to do things, we have to go in a room, we have to go in different rooms in a day. But if you have something where you have a sound on it, you at least can listen to it. If it's a cooking thing, even if you're not looking, and you yourself, you love cooking, you know already, just let a person talk and you know already. I know already. And you just hear what she's doing. You just hear, oh, what is the next procedure, and you know already. So that's what I do. That's how I view your. But of course, I'm really sorry if sometimes. So please stay connected. Maybe I'm not the perfect person to stay connected because I am a working mother, so like I have my work and then I do this YouTube thing, and so it's not either easy for me. But I really try my best. In my free time, I don't watch TV anymore, because in my free time I give time to view my friends' channel. So stay connected. We stay connected, and it's really very good and healthy for us who are doing the same thing here in YouTube. And I have here the number 4. So with the number 4, it's more like it's also important that you make a video that is something that gives interest to whatever viewers. I know that everybody has its own niche, but even if we have our own niche, at least, like for me example, I am interested in plants, gardening, cooking. I mean, I can have every niche I want. And actually, as of now, I'm focusing more on relationships, dealing with kids and all this stuff, because I really know those things. But whatever your interest, even if you're just showing the place you are living, you are showing what you are doing today, you're showing what breakfast are you eating and how did you do that breakfast, how did you prepare it, it's still interesting. If we are already friends here in YouTube, it's something like, okay, you're interested to know each other, what you're doing now. Yeah, because we are friends. And that's how, and that's how it it works. So even if you can make a sit down video for like 15 to 20 minutes, make something for like at least 5 minutes, because if we are also doing a lot of videos that is only 1 minute, think of the future. In the future, if you are already monetized, it's so hard to put advertisements to a video that is only 1 minute or 30 seconds. But if you have only 1-2 videos that are very short, then it's very okay. That's all for these videos. So please, if you like this video and you think it's helpful to you, don't forget to give your thumbs up, please, because it helps a lot. We support each other. And if you are not yet my subscriber, then don't hesitate, push that red button now, because we are helping each other. We stay connected, and as much as possible we do our best, because I know all of us are busy doing other things. Thank you for watching.